Are you noticing sloping or sagging floors? You may have thought, is this something I can take care of myself, or do I need to hire a professional for this? And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at AccuLevel. When you're fixing a sagging floor, it can be a little bit difficult to do, but that begs to ask the question, can I do it myself? That's what we're going to discuss here. So when it comes to having a professional fix your sagging floor or doing it yourself, this is a question we experience every day at AccuLevel. The concept seems simple, and it really is. It's not rocket science. It's supporting a lot of times the wood that's already there. But there's extra securities in having a professional do it. One of the big ones is if you're getting ready to sell your home or you're buying your home, whatever that may be, if there's an inspector involved, there's massive value in having a professional fix that with a warranty, with the paperwork that was done, and then it doesn't raise any red flags with the inspector. The other thing is unfortunately here at AccuLevel, we see a lot of times that somebody's tried to fix it themselves. They put a ton of effort, physical labor. A lot of this happens in a crawl space. Very, very hard work to do. And they've taken the money to go buy the materials themselves, to do it themselves. And it didn't work. They didn't get the result right. They didn't do enough. Then we have to come in, take down most of what they've done and kind of do it ourselves. I hate seeing that. Somebody put their sweat and hard work into that, and then we're just there to take it down and put it back. So we would really like to get out ahead of the first time. The other big piece of this too is you have a warranty. So you have a 2-year, 3 free adjustment warranties. So we're gonna come back 3 more times over the next 2 years to continue to keep pushing up on that sagging floor, that sloping floor, to try and keep making that better when we're using I-beam. And that's something, as a homeowner, I definitely wouldn't want to be down there every year or every 6 months going to do that, plus all the work I put into it, that kind of stuff. So when it comes to whether you should hire a professional, obviously my bias is going to say yes every time. But please make sure you at least have a professional look at it. Depending on your particular situation, there may be an easy fix that we can recommend and say, hey, you could do this, you seem pretty handy. But most of the time, it's a lot easier to have us come in and do it, fully understand what we're doing, why we're doing it, and then let us come do that with that warranty. Make sure the placement of all that support is right and in the right spot. Thank you for watching. I hope this video showed the importance of having a professional fix your sagging floor. To learn more, continue to watch this course. And again, please be sure to like and subscribe.